Why should you do a marketing major? Well, every business out there needs marketing professionals. And if you have a good background in that, you're going to get a job. You're going to get a good job. Why would you enjoy it? You talk about products, you talk about prices, you talk about communicating in the marketplace.
LBCC has a lot of great things to offer. We have excellent faculty with experience who are dedicated and care about their students. We have fantastic facilities, new buildings, and classrooms.
So we have some really great resources here around campus. The work experience resources, we're developing new work experience classes.
The business department works closely with our career center to help students navigate the process of choosing a major, exploring potential careers, and potentially identifying jobs and internships. We offer an associate degree for transfer in business that guarantees you a spot at a CSU.
The career opportunities always want to point you to getting your bachelor's degree. If you don't want to do that, then you come and take the marketing classes that we have, the sales, the intro, the digital, the social, the communications portions, and get your AA in marketing, and you get a starting point job in the marketing area in a business, and that's your stepping stone. But you can learn basic marketing ideas here and then get into a Cal State or a UC and take the next level of marketing classes where you'll learn a lot more about research, a lot more about big data, data science, and then you're going to have your bachelor's degree, and then you're going to be able to get a job anywhere because every company needs marketing people.